Quick disclaimer here, trading is very risky and carries a high level of risk. Anything said here is not a financial advice. Make sure you trade with money you can only afford to lose. Stay safe.
So what's up, guys? Today this is the voice of TRADEWITHWORLDBANK, and I want to welcome you all to my channel. Today we are going to be looking at cryptocurrency, and we're going to be looking at the latest news in town, which is the ETF approval, and we're also be going to looking at the altcoins that are poised to give you some returns on this massive news that is coming up. Because the news before was 25% probability, but now it is posted that it is going to be on 75% probability that this is going to happen. So Ethereum is going to be on fire this week because of the rumors that because of these decisions around these EFT rumors. But today we are going to be diving into these 5 altcoins that are going to explode with it. Even with a little bit of $100 investments, you are good to go. And what prices are we talking about? We are talking about almost 75%, just like Bitcoin, because something similar happened to this on Bitcoin, and it did a little bit of 75% jump in 3 months or so. And also, I want you guys to know that artificial intelligence is creeping into trading. RWAs, that is real world assets, are tokenized, and also decentralized is changing the way the traditional banks operate. So this is a story that we are following very closely, and that is why I'm making this video for you guys. All right, so if you're interested and also want more crypto updates, make sure you smash that subscribe button if you are new to the channel, and make sure you like and give it a thumbs up, and also make sure you share to other friends. So we're going to be starting with GraphLink, that is GLQ. For those that don't know what GraphLink is an AI focused project that attracts attention, and it is a layer one blockchain that simplifies development of AI agents and decentralized applications. GraphLink offers both GraphLink chain and GraphLink protocol with a set of no code tools facilitating the creation of AI apps and autonomous agents. So they said AI is poised to for a massive growth in 2024, 2025, and we can expect 330% ROI on this. So let's look at this together. I'm seeing a bullish trend over here, and I want to allow us to know that when analyzing crypto, we have to look at the ATH from the past, which is 0.12, and what is the current ATH now? The current ATH is 0.18. So there's high probability that price breaks out of this range because we are heading bullish right now, and it doesn't look like price wants to reverse any point from now. The only reversal I'm going to be seeing here is, now you can see that there's a breakout here already, right? There's a breakout here, and you can anticipate a retest from this. Okay, so can anticipate a retest, and for 2025 you can expect 300%, but for 2024 I'm seeing something great over here. You can see there is a lot of, let's target there first. So this one is for short-term traders, right? Those that love to do a little bit of day trading and swing trading. But for position traders, you can anticipate more because there is clean traffic to the left hand side, and that means price might just continue pushing to the upside. And this is very, very interesting for GraphLink. Okay, I'm going to be stopping there on GraphLink. I'm going to be stopping there on GraphLink, as you can see. Let me do this. This is, so there's high probability the price comes into this area here. The high probability, price would do this. This is a point of confluence, and price will just continue like that. Okay, so this is a point of confluence. With all that is happening, there's high probability for this to play out well. Let's look at the next one we have on our list. That is Clearpool protocol. Okay, CPOOL. Let's look at it together. USDT. Okay, this is Clearpool. Clearpool is a decentralized capital market ecosystem where institutional borrowers can access unsecured loans directly from the DeFi ecosystem. This is very, very interesting. Where institutional borrowers can access unsecured loans. Whitelisted institution borrowers can create and launch individual single borrower liquidity pools on Clearpool finance. It also offers permissioned institutional grade platforms that meets the compliance needs for wholesale borrowing and lending of digital assets by institutional market participants. So what are we expecting on Clearpool Finance over here? This is also very bullish, and we can anticipate that price would reach its ATH first for those that would love to do position trading. Price just broke out of this trend. Price just broke out of this trend. You can see this is a nice breakout. And what can we expect on this pair? It is currently at a resistance, which price is reacting from. So wait for two things, right? Wait for price to break out of this resistance. This is a support here also. So this is a support zone. I would expect that price would come here first. Then in the event of all these, you can wait for a breakout here and a retest. Then this you can anticipate this. This is going to be beautiful for this currency pair we have here. So we have two scenarios here. From here to here, we have 200 percentage. This is for the this is a 200 percentage ROI, and from here to here we have 68 percentage. So either ways, if you had reserved type that would love to wait for this breakout and retest, then that means you're going to be taking 65%, 69% of the share that of what we're expecting. But for those that would love to wait for the retracement like this is a confluence trade, also is a confluence area. You're going to be taking a whopping 217% up to the all-time high. So this is very, very amazing. This is a very pair. This is a very good pair that I want you guys to watch out for during these times of situations like this. Okay, so I'm going to move into the next one, which is Pepe. Pepe is a meme coin. I'm not sure the chart will be here. Okay, it's very bullish right now. Pepe is a meme coin and it's very bullish. I don't know if it is this, but let me just say what I know about it a little bit. There has been positive news. I'll just say there has been positive news on PEP so far, and that is why it has been very bullish. And yeah, we can expect more actually, because it did 40% in 20 hours as at the time the news was released, and this has increased traders' confidence in Pepe. What can we expect here? I'm not seeing any analysis here. I'm expecting, you can expect a retracement, which has already occurred. You can see the breakout and retest has occurred, just like what I'm expecting on the previous altcoin that we're talking about, which is Clearpool. Okay, so that has happened here, and you can see. I wish I recorded this video earlier to show you this movement. If not, we would have gained 56% already. But nonetheless, let's wait for more news, because I think there are more positive news that is going to come out on PEP. All right, so you can follow the positive news and you can anticipate something over there, and you can see this is a very beautiful setup that we missed on PEP. But then don't worry, next week again I'll come with new altcoins. Every week I'll be coming with new altcoins to see the ones that will increase, that will have more potential, that will increase our portfolio for us. See, this is a very beautiful setup, though this has been missed, so this one has gone. But like I said, there are more upcoming news that would signify that this trend is going to be more bullish. And the fourth coin, because I'm going to talk about 5 altcoins today, the fourth coin is Ondo Finance. Okay, Ondo Finance. Ondo has also been very, very bullish. It has got a lot of news. I don't know if it is this one. Let me see. Ondo Finance. Okay, it's still, I'm correct. USDT. Ondo Finance. Let's see Bybits. Okay, still the same thing. It's a RWA altcoin. So it has surged 450% in the last 4 months, according to data. Let's see in the last 12 months, and you can see I'm seeing 1000% here. And well, that's, they said last 12 months. So and see, this is 8000%, and we can expect more, because this is just the beginning of this. It's just the beginning. It's just starting out. And it's on its mark to $1. So it has gotten to $1. That is a key level. I believe everyone knows what a key level is. That is a key level. And for key levels, there are two things. Price rejects from key level, which is currently happening right now. And once price rejects, it can break out, because there's a high probability of breakout because of this ETF news that is about to happen, and the probability is 75%. Look at this. There is high probability of breakout. Once there's a breakout, no going back. So I don't want you guys to miss. I don't want you to miss this Ondo finance. I don't want you to miss this at all. I want you to catch this one. This is the high probability setup, and it's the high probability pair, because let me see what we have there, right? The token is experiencing a clear upward movement, signifying strong market confidence, and traders have been encouraged because of its experience, because of the consistent rise in short term. Even though it has been facing a little bit of barriers, but the growth is slow and steady, right? The growth is slow and steady, and the positive trend is also emphasizing something on the higher time frame. That is the growing and robust interest in the token, with fundamentals such as on those operating framework providing potential for practical use cases. Like I said, it is a real world asset token, and it has practical use cases and real world use cases. So that means this you can anticipate 100 or 200x on this, 100 or even 500x, because this is 50, right? So let's see 100, because there's high probability. This is a high probability trade. Let's target $2, and you can see this is 106%. So let's stay with 100%, and in future videos, I'll be explaining more on altcoins, and probably this one will be in the altcoin again. So I don't want you all to miss this one. If you are enjoying this, make sure you smash that subscribe button, and also make sure you share the video with your loved ones. This is all I have to say on Ondo Finance. And also, apart from the breakouts, price might not want to break out immediately. It might want to reject from this $1 mark. Okay, so there's still a place for price to come into this support zone here and boom from there, right? So if it booms from there, you can anticipate more than 100%. You understand? You can anticipate more than 100%. Let's say 150 to our target. Remember, our target is $2. Our target is $2, and you can see this is almost 200% already just from this. Okay, so this is a more realistic altcoin. You can buy and hold. These kinds of situations, these kinds of assets, you buy and hold because it has real life use cases, and it is very, very realistic over here. And also the growth is very slow and steady. So far there is no significant downtrend on these assets. There's no significant downtrend on these assets, and the only downtrend I'm seeing on this asset is this range over here. Is this range, which means there are two things for a range, right? There is either a breakout. In fact, there's no two things. There's one thing. There is always going to be a breakout. And why I'm expecting more potential on this is because of the use case and the Ethereum ETF that is ongoing. So the only breakout that we can expect here is the breakout to the upside and not to the downside. Even if it breaks to the downside, it would not be so, the dip would not be so massive unless there is a massive dip or a general dip on cryptocurrency, and the dip should not pass 0.3 USD. Should not pass this. Okay, and then you buy like that. That will be DCA. This one will be DCA. You can buy here or you buy here. That will be DCA. Okay, that's where I'm going to stop on Ondo Finance, because this is a new, as you can see, it's new and it's doing the most already. It's doing the most already, and I don't want you guys to miss out from this one. Lastly, we have Render. Render is a distributed GPU rendering network built on the Ethereum blockchain. Remember, we are talking about the EFT Ethereum here, so this is also significant, and this is important. Let me see. RNDR Render. Okay, where did I stop? It is aiming to connect artists and studios in need of GPU computing power with mining partners willing to rent their GPU capabilities out. Additionally, Render Network offers decentralized GPU computing program power for 3D content creation, allowing artists to scale rendering global tasks globally at a lower cost and faster speed. Over 6 months now. Let's see, over 6 months. It has been very bullish, and over 6 months. Let's start with this year, right? It has experienced almost 500%, 500 percentage. This is 500%. This is very, very massive, and we can still expect more. Okay, we can still expect more. Where is the ATH? The ATH, okay, it just got to its ATH at 11, right? Just got to its ATH at 11, and price is heading there again. So price will do two things. Like I said, it's either reject from the ATH, but there is only one thing: it will reject, but it will eventually break out because of these amazing news and everything we have been expecting. There is a range here, as you can see. There is a range from this $6 to $11 right now, and it is neither strong or impulsive nor corrective. It's just ranging, but then it shows strong growth, and over the last week it has dipped. Right, this is a little bit of dip over here, and we can still expect more because price is already recovering. There is a retracement and there is a recover setup. Right, with this buy, price has recovered this dip already, and we can expect more impulsive move to the upside. What analysis do I have here? I'm seeing some interesting points to consider here. Some interesting key levels to consider here. Okay, key levels to consider. I've seen that support. This is another resistance, and what is happening here? Okay, so I'm expecting the retest on here, and the retest should occur around here, right? This is a key level. This is the confluence area. The first TP will be there, and then the second TP will be to infinity and beyond. What am I expecting on this pair? Am I expecting 100 hex, maybe 200, 100? Render is also new and has a very reasonable use case. For traders that would love to trade from here, which I really don't think price would retrace into this zone, but that will be 87%, 89%. That's almost 100%. And for those that would love to enter here like me, you can expect 39% first, and with other news incoming, and I'll be dropping more videos, so we'll be checking all these pairs. And where is the next? This is 11 USD. I don't want to target too much. Let's target 15. Okay, so this is 59% from this retest area, which is still very nice because with 5% is still something. And 100%, almost 100% here from this clean support level we have here. But we have a confluence zone over here. This is the confluence zone, and I want us to mark the all-time high, because all-time highs are very important. Most of the time in crypto, let me tell you this, in crypto, all-time highs would get touched and rejected from. So there's high probability that price will touch this all-time high and reject. That is why I'm using this as my first take profit area, which is 89%. And also for this one too, we have 40%. Right, we have 40% over here. So that is what I'm expecting, guys. If you are new to this channel and you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that subscribe button. I want you all to take note of all these, but remember, these are just advices. This does not really guarantee anything. It's just investment advice, but make sure you do your own research. All these are just for research purpose, and make sure you do your due diligence. Make sure you do your research before investing in any coins. If you want to reach out to me, if you want to learn more from me, reach out to me via the link in the description. My WhatsApp is there, Telegram is there, everything is there. And yeah, so I think that will be all for now. If you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, like this video if you like this, and peace out.